Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and we just hit 200 subscribers over the weekend. So it's time for the 200 subscriber giveaway. For this giveaway, I'm doing 2 patterns. I can't promise I'm going to do up to 500, 5 patterns. That's a little expensive. But I did, before I discuss what you have to do to win, I did want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. And so many of you guys have been very active in replying and responding and commenting, liking my videos, sharing my videos. And I just want to thank you guys so much. When I started this channel, I really didn't expect to get any more than 50 subscribers. So after 5 months, having 200 is still a little bit of a surprise for me. Starting my channel was, as I've said in the 10 non-yarny things about me video, a little nerve-wracking, a little, I needed to have some encouragement in order to get started. So, I am incredibly grateful for you guys, and seeing the names that are subscribing, the other channels that are subscribing also has meant a lot to me. I hope that you guys are actually watching my videos, of course, but just the fact that you hit the subscribe button when you had an opportunity means a lot to me. Sorry. This is only my second cup of coffee. If you haven't watched it yet, I'm filming this right after the Jimmy Bean Knit Club box unboxing. And it's still before 10 o'clock in the morning. So I am still definitely drinking my coffee. But yes, so it has really meant a lot to me that you guys have subscribed and been so active. And for the most part, y'all have been incredibly positive and supportive in the things that you have said. I have had some unsubscribes already. I have offended a number of people with my reviews, which is fine. So I've enjoyed seeing the numbers for the most part going up and not down. But I did want to say thank you once again for everything, and for being so amazing. You guys really are awesome, whether you have your own channel or not. The community at large has been absolutely wonderful. I've always said that crafters are some of the nicest people you'll ever meet. Yeah, some are fiber snobs, some are crafting snobs, but for the most part, most crafters, I think, you know, crafting brings so much joy into our lives. The more we do it, the happier and more pleasant we are as a whole. So I am very grateful to know you guys, and I am so happy to be sharing with you guys. And I hope that you understand how much it means to, not just to me, but to most of the YouTubers who are out there, to have your support and to have your interaction. Because one of the reasons we start these channels is because we enjoy the interaction with the people who are watching us. So thank you guys. And in order to be entered, I am doing another pattern giveaway. I'm not a sponsored channel, so I do have limited funds to do gifts and prizes and giveaways with. I asked that the pattern is under $6, knitting or crochet, your choice. I don't care. Ravelry pattern. Down below in the comments, if you want to be entered, I would like to know what your favorite pattern is. Paid, free. Just tell me what your favorite pattern is. I will warn you, I do check my subscriber list. And I do check that you answer the question when I do a giveaway. So please be subscribed to my channel if you want to enter down below. And please list your favorite pattern. And if you don't have a favorite pattern, tell me say my most favorite pattern from 2018 was ... Because I enjoy seeing what you guys have loved working on, why you enjoy working on them. I don't have a favorite pattern, but the shawl, the reason why I chose to wear this, is one of my favorite patterns to have worked on. And this one is, it's called the Sidewalk Shawl. It's a Red Heart pattern. And I used the Debbie Stoller Stitch Nation yarn for, I mean, it's been 6 years since I made the shawl. And it is a basic pineapple motif. I mean, as if my lighting in here wasn't bad enough. That was wild. But it's got a beautiful shape to the shawl. It adds just enough warmth to be worth wearing. Because the yarn, I think I used Alpaca Love, but now that I'm thinking about it, it feels more like wool. So it may have been I Love You, EWE. You. Yeah, so, yeah, if you don't have a favorite pattern, yeah, just share one you've really enjoyed working on, one that you do multiple times. It doesn't have to be charity or personal. It's just what pattern have you enjoyed working on the most. So yes, there will be 2 patterns given away. I'll do 2 different drawings. And I wish you guys luck. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.